In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can recover your deleted pins on Pinterest. Recovering deleted pins on Pinterest is essential for preserving valuable content, maintaining board coherence, retaining SEO benefits and historical records, ensuring the continuity and credibility of a user's profile and content. To do this, simply head into your Pinterest account. You will then have to tap on your profile icon. It's just right here on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on these three dots and head into your settings. On the settings page, select this option of privacy and data. Then you will have to scroll down to the very end and click on this option of request your data. Tap on start request. Your data will get sent to you via your email address you used while registering on Pinterest. It usually takes 2 to 3 days to get sent. When received, make sure to download it. In the section of media, you will see the deleted file option. You can only download the deleted videos or photos to your phone gallery and then upload them back to your Pinterest account. That's how easy it is to recover deleted pin on Pinterest. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.